Assalamu alaikum one class. I'm your English teacher and hope that you all are doing great. Today's lecture is basically based on the page number 50, 51 and 52. Okay. So as you have already learned these pages and we have to take the revision of these pages. Okay. And here you can see the tricky words engine, front, turns, makes, door. You have to use these words into sentences. Okay, these are the 5 words. Now come to the page 50. As you can see in this table, here are some phonic words that you have to pronounce very well. Okay, so first of all, that is the ch, that sounds ch. Okay, ch. And we have to pronounce is it chain, then children, chick, chew, which. Then is the nk, that sounds okay. The first one is ping, honk, thank, think, twinkle, drink. Then or, that sounds or for, haul, horse, transport. Now what's the second one activity? In the CH and OR boxes, put a dot under the 1-letter phonemes, put a dash under the 2-letter phonemes. As you can see, the word chain. In this word, these 2 words make the one sound sh. Okay, so this is the 2-letter phoneme. And AI, these are the 2 letters and makes one sound, that is A, okay. And then is the N letter and that sounds N. And this is the 1-letter phoneme and we have to put the dot on 1-letter phoneme and underline the 2-letter phoneme. Okay, now the activity number 3, complete the words with CH, NK or OR. 2 dash are in the toy shop. As you can see in this picture, 2 dash are in the toy shop, 2 children. Okay, we have to write it CH, children. Then dash toy do you want, says ma, which. The horse please, they say. A brown horse or a pink horse, says ma. The children think about it. The pink horse, please, they say. Thank you, ma. Okay. Now come to the page number 51. Here are the phonic words. As you can see, the first one, pair of is OY, that sounds oi. Okay. The first one is boy, twice, enjoy, point, noise, voice. And then is AY, that sounds A. The first one is day, say, play, way, Lela. And here you can see the tricky words and you have to make the sentences of these all 5 words. Okay. And then is the label the pictures with words from C1 and C4. Okay, word you can hear a C, that's the chain and you have to write it a chain. A horse, 3 toys, a boy, a horn, 2 children. And what is this? The front of ship. Okay, an engine, and then is a door. Now come to the page number 52. Usually we add s for more than one, but we don't in some words such as woman, man, children, sheep, etc. Here what he is saying that the plural form of the singular usually ends with s, but there are some words that doesn't end with s. As you can see, woman, man, children, sheep, etc. Answer the questions in your notebook. Okay, are they sheep or horses? What are they? These are sheep or they are sheep. Okay, are they children or chickens? They are children. Are they boys or girls? They are girls. Are they men or women? They are men. Write questions and answers about the pictures above. Okay, how many dash are there? You can put here sheep. Okay, how many sheep are there? There are 5 sheep. Say aloud the names of these letters. Okay, you have to pronounce it very well. Okay, the first one is ha, then ch. Okay, ch. Then twinkle, then train. So, one class, you have to make the sentences of these 5 words on your loose sheets and then share it in the group. Okay, thank you.